Hello, today we're taking a look at the iGPSPORT GPS bike, scooter, and more tracker. So when you open it up, you can see here all kinds of different accessories that it can do, and smart offline navigation, offline maps, route planning. It's pretty cool. You get your charging cable and adapter and brackets. Now this is the device itself. Nice, sleek, and thin. Press and hold to power it on the left side here. You'll go ahead and select your language. On camera it's going to look a little hard to read, but in person it's not. So you want to select your time zone. So continue going through the settings, select your different meters, if you want meters or feet. This button up here is going to be the OK button. This button here is going to be the back button, and these are going to be your selecting. So we're just selecting Fahrenheit, time format. We're going to do the 12 hours, and you guys can adjust that for what you want. Short press to switch ride mode. So we got road, commute, touring, indoor. So there's definitely a lot of stuff you guys can do. Navigation, training, history, theme, notifications, weather. So if you connect your app, you got settings and all that fun stuff. Then here we can see a little display. Again, guys, it's going to be hard. It's hard for the camera to show it. We're actually going to go back and let's see if we can increase the brightness on the settings here. Sensor, ride mode, pair with your phone, power management, user profile system. So yeah, guys, there's a lot that you can do. Backlight, here we go. Brightness. Automatic, so that's pretty cool. You can set it that it automatically adjusts the brightness. I think we're gonna just manually increase this to 100%. Nighttime, you can adjust it, but if you guys want auto, you can. Backlight time, we're gonna adjust that to 30 seconds. I'm really liking the user interface. It is so simple and easy to use. GPS, intelligent switch, precise. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm really liking this a lot, guys. Overall, it's a very cool device, and I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with it.